become a bodybuilder, you have to go to gym. You have to work out regularly. If you are going to a gym 10 hours a day, you won't get the desired results. Instead of that, if you are going for a gym 20 minutes every day, you can see the results. If you want to become a public speaker, with practice and the consistency, you can see the results over a period of time. You cannot get the result overnight. Yes, great things will take time, but you have to practice regularly. The perseverance, persistence, and the consistency and the endurance plays a vital role to achieve your goal. The practice, I feel the most of them saying, practice make you perfect. I am not agreeing with this statement, because practice makes you perfect. If you are practicing the wrong way, you can see the wrong results. So proper practice makes you perfect. We can change the word. Proper practice makes you perfect. If you are properly practice, you can see the perfect result. To get the good results, you have to apply 3 C's. Number 1, counseling. Number 2, consistency. Number 3, commitment. Number 1, counseling. We may be knowledgeable, we may be a skillful person, but someone has to show the path. Someone already reached the path. Someone is to help us and guide us to reach the destination. The person, you have to select the right master, right mentor will help you to reach the destination. Those who are already achieved will help us to move on to the next step. The person will help us to the hand and take you to the next step. You have to call this a mentor. Those already achieved in the same set of scenarios. You have to identify the right person. You have to blindly follow the person. It means mentor. You can call it as a counseling to the person. Number 2, consistency. Consistency is the key skills for all other positive approach, all other skills. Because if whatever skills you have, whatever knowledge you have, without consistency, you cannot achieve your destination. You cannot achieve your goal. So the key role, the consistency. Every day, the small stuff every day we are doing, every day we are making things, will give you the results. Try, learn, try, fail, again, learn, try, and keep on moving to the next step until achieve your goal. When you are doing the consistency, you will be facing lot of challenges, lot of adversity situations, but you have to overcome. Till you are taking the stand, you may not be seeing any situations. Once, if you want to achieve set up your goal, all challenges come in your face, in front of you. But you have to face it and overcome the things. And the third one is a commitment. You have to commit yourself. Then you have to follow it. Even if you are not following your commitment, no one is responsible for that. Your commitment should be not like by propaganda or not for the others. It should be intrinsic value. That is within yourself. You have to commit yourself. Then you can see the results. If you are not following, you are cheating yourself. If you are cheating yourself, it's not at all acceptable. So these are the 3 points: counseling, consistency, commitment. If you're following the 3, you can achieve your goal. Yes, great things will take time. If you are following the things, definitely you can going to achieve very shortly. It will take time, but definitely you're going to achieve. If you properly practice, you will get the perfect results on that.